Okay guys, what's up? It's QuarlWithCode, and today we're going to be looking at the Strings.xml file. With this file, you're able to change the text of your views, such as text views and buttons, without going into each single view and changing the text property. This can also be used to target different markets, such as, let's say, the Spanish Google Play. If you want to change all of the text in your app to Spanish, you just go to Strings.xml file and do the Spanish. Alright, so let's start a new Android Studio project. We're going to call it Tutorial 2. We're going to target phone and tablet, API 15. We want a blank activity, and let's title it Tutorial 2. Alright, so if we take a look at the Hello World text view, you can see if you go to the text property, that's already looking at the Strings.xml file. So we see that there's a string with the name hello_world. So let's go to values, and if we click strings.xml, you can see there's a string with the name hello world that says hello world ! And that's exactly what this text view says. So in order to reference the strings.xml file, you want @string/ and then the name of the string. So let's go on and practice that. Let's delete the hello world string and create our own. Let's anchor it to the top left, and then we're going to do match parent horizontally and match parent vertically. Let's set the gravity to center, and let's leave the ID as text view. And we're going to make the text blank for now. So now let's go to strings.xml, and let's make a new string. So string name, let's call it English fries. And let's make the text I love French fries. Alright, and then let's make another string. Let's name it Spanish fries. And then we'll make it say Me encantan las papas fritas. And there we go. So now let's go back to our activity main XML, and make sure you're clicked on the empty text view, and let's do @string/ English fries. And there we go. I love French fries. Let's go and make the text a bit bigger. So 32 dp. Let's actually make it 26, since the Spanish is a little bit longer than the English. Alright. So there we go. We now have a text view that's referring to the @strings.xml file in order to get its text. So let's go on and create a button and anchor it to the bottom, and then we'll make a new string that's named Spanish button. And let's make it say I want Spanish. So now we go to the text and we type @string Spanish button. There we go. So let's go back to our main activity.java, get rid of these two methods, and create some member variables. So we have a text view, and we have a button. Alright, let's go on and get those from the XML. So mTextView equals, cast it as a text view, find view by ID r.id, and it was called text view. Let's go back to our main activity and make sure the button actually has an ID, and the ID is button. So go back to the Java, and button equals button find view by ID r.id button. So now let's go on and make our button do something. So let's set an onClick listener and create a new onClick listener. Inside the onClick function, let's say we want to make the text view text. So we're going to do set text, and we want it to say the Spanish version. So now we can do r.string.Spanish fries. Alright, everything seems to be good. So let's go on and start the Genymotion emulator. Alright, the Genymotion emulator has started. So let's go on and run the application. You can see down here that the Gradle is building. Alright, Genymotion is selected, so let's click OK. The app is building. Let's go to Genymotion. And let's see, I love French fries. I want Spanish. Me encantan las papas fritas. There we go. So that's just a very basic example of what the Strings.xml file can do. Make sure you comment if you have any questions. If you have any trouble with anything, you can email me at QuarlWithCode@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe.